welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to basically tame animals in 99 Nights in the Forest. And basically, as you can see, in the event you will be dropped a old taming flute, so go ahead and just look around for that, and once you pick it up you want to basically just make your way over to, let's just say, this bunny right here. It will have like an angry face on it at first, but what you want to basically do is you want to just keep your bar in the green area until it reaches to the top. Once it reaches to the top, the bunny or the animal will request a certain type of food. The bunnies, I would assume, will request a carrot, and you basically just need to keep feeding it carrots until, oops, I just ate one, or until basically the bunny, is happy. And oh yeah, there we have. We actually have him already. So we can actually, I think it's just one carrot then, I guess, for bunnies. And let's see, we can also command it to do stuff. We can rename it, and then let's just say, test, and then done, and then look, there we go, rename. We could also set, release, etc. Now let's just say if we wanted to do it for a wolf, okay, I think it might be a little bit harder. Yeah, okay, so yeah, it's probably gonna be harder because it has the 3 spaces instead of just 1. There we go, we got it. Now we need to give it 2 raw steak. Now you can just find raw steak from anywhere, killing animals, etc. Let's go ahead and look for steak. But basically, that's basically like the main concept. Once you find the flute, which should be dropped from the event itself, you could just simply, you could just go over to, what's it called? You could just give them, you just go to the animal, you just, use the flute, you do that little mini game challenge, and then once you do that game challenge, you should be good, and then you just give them the food itself, and then yeah, that's basically it. Obviously, the bigger or like the more dangerous the, okay, this guy's killing my wolf, but basically like the more dangerous and more, more like dangerous the animal. Okay, well, I don't think you can feed him when he actually starts killing him, so that's sad as well. I guess I might as well kill him as well. But that's basically the entire idea. All you have to do is you just take the flute, you use it on somebody, and this is also the bar for the flute. If you want to level it up, you just keep using it on, I guess you could farm like the easier animals, but that's basically it. That's like the main idea on how to, use, how to tame animals. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.